Okay, so today I'm going to be showing my blur faces with Rekognition serverless application that I made for the AWS serverless Hackathon. So first, we need to make sure that we don't already have the stack. So I already deleted it. And S3 here. Let's make sure the bucket got deleted. Yep, it's gone. Okay, now we can just simply hit deploy. It'll bring up the console. Then we create a blur faces in bucket, blur faces out bucket, and then we hit deploy and it will create it. Let's see here. Let's see the S3 bucket show up. Yep, there we go. To the blur in bucket. Well, first let me show you that the blur out bucket is empty. Yes, it is. Blur in bucket. Then upload. Upload this photo right here that we're gonna blur. And I say blur. It really just yep, uploading. And then we can maybe catch the function while it's in action. Maybe not. Looks like not. But we can check its logs here. As you see, it uses the AWS minimum. It uses the minimum size of a Lambda function, even though it doesn't need that much memory. But if we go to the out bucket, it should show up. Yep. And download. It saves it to the out bucket with the same key that you used when you uploaded it. So let's take a look. Yep, see? It blocked out the faces using Rekognition. How it works is the user uploads to the in bucket. S3 sends an event to AWS Lambda. It then sends the image to AWS Rekognition, which then sends back the request to AWS Lambda, and then it uploads it. It finally the AWS function uses pillow to put blocks over the faces, and then it downloads it to the end bucket. The reason why I made this for social good was so that big organizations, or well, small organizations, could easily comply with like French privacy, with like GDPR and privacy laws that may require them to censor faces or not show people's faces. It could also be used by organizations fighting human trafficking to protect the identities of victims. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.